Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be bit different. It's going to be an unboxing experience for my newly purchased Insta360 X4. I was looking to have a panoramic camera added in this workflow of creating videos, and that's where I thought like, okay, let me get a X4. And while I was in the market to find and to kind of explore a bit more around like what are those camera options are, I got to know that Insta360 has just released a X4 with BMW Motorrad badge. How it is different than a normal X4 is it has got like few extra features, having a dashboard and then a dash cam or some kind of thing. And fortunately it came with the BMW. As you know that I ride a BMW bike, so I thought like, okay, let's get it and let's see how it performs. By the way, I ordered this directly on their website, which is Insta360 own website, because it's not available in India. The BMW variant is not available in India. It just got released, I think a week or 10 days back. I ordered it and they dispatched it like a couple of days back, and I got it just today itself. So I have the box with me, and this is the first time I will be unboxing. I wanted it to be raw and keep it simple and share like exactly like what and how I am looking at things. So without further ado, let's dig into it and let's see what's in the box. So here's the box that I received and which has been directly shipped from China, and the packaging looks good. Let me just cut it open. Okay, wow, this looks nice. Let me just open it up. Okay, so as you can see, this is like a BMW variant. It's an X4, the Insta360 X4. It's had a capability of doing some 360 and all that. Selfie stick, though I haven't ordered the selfie stick yet, so I will be putting that order anytime soon. The BMW logo and the BMW word mark are trademarks of BMW AG and are used under license. Okay, nice. What else? Okay, so here are a few of the features they have mentioned. It works with their Sena and the Cardo Backtalk Edge. Loop recording, so you can use it as a dash cam or some kind of a, if you are interested in. Apart from that, it has like waterproof, a voice control, AI powered editing. Let's open it up and see like how it is. Okay. Wow. And here it is how the device looks like. Let me just pull it out, this box. So let's open it up and let's see like what are the things. First thing that has came out, it's a case. So you can put your and it has some accessories and it has some pockets as well, some sort of that. But this is the bag that comes with it, and as you can see, it's different than the normal X4. It looks like it's a USB-C cable to transfer your data. Next is, I think this is a cloth. And this is, wow, it again has that branding. This is to kind of a protective frame, some sort of that. So let's keep it aside. Now what else we have in the box are, let's open it up, some paperwork. We have a couple of lens cards. So these are the standard lens guards that comes with it. So let me just put these items aside, bring back our hero again. So As you can see, again screaming out loud, I can feel some weight. Definitely it has some weight, and it has some compartments, or you can say the port to transfer, probably, or transfer the data or recharge. And this is the battery compartment. Oh wow. And it has the screw type mounting and power on and some other stuff. So let me just power it on and let's see how it is. So it's asking me for some setup, and I will do those setups and maybe try out like how it works and learn things around it. So this was the unboxing experience of my newly purchased Insta360 X4, the BMW edition. Going forward, I will be experimenting with this, and maybe I will try out few features and we'll see like how it performs, how it works, and how I can include this in my workflow of creating those videos that I put on my channel. So I will be using this device going forward in my future rides, and we'll see like how that videos and that video I will be capturing through it, and how I can include this in my video editing workflow. So quite excited. And I will be waiting for the next ride to happen, and as that happens I will share with you all. I'm quite excited to see how this device performs. So with that being said, I hope you like this video. Please share your feedback, your comments, and whatever your suggestions in the comments down below. And at the same time, do subscribe, like, and share this video as much as you can. Thanks everyone. Bye bye. See you all. Have a nice day.
So this is a test video I'm taking. The position I have kept is not optimal, but this is just to test out like how it is performing in low light. And the sound you will be listening now is coming from the Insta360, which is connected through my Sena. I'm going to enter a dark section which doesn't has any lights whatsoever, and let's see how the image is performing. The sound right now you are hearing is from the Sena 50S, which is connected to the Insta360 X4.